Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: an Android phone, the latest Google app, and location turned on so forecasts are precise. Once done, long press your home screen, tap Widgets, find Google Widgets, and choose the Weather widget. Drag it onto the screen and release to pin it. This immediately gives you at-a-glance forecasts. The why is simple. The widget queries Google's weather card using your location for current conditions and quick updates. Now refine how the widget works. Open the Google app, go to Settings, then Weather to set Celsius or Fahrenheit and a default city if you prefer. Make sure Google has background activity permission and disable battery optimization so the widget refreshes reliably. You can resize the widget by long pressing and dragging its edges and move it to your preferred home panel. These steps balance accuracy and battery use. Tighter refresh intervals mean more current data, but slightly higher. Finish by tapping the widget to open the full forecast and confirm updates occur. If you see stale information, first swipe the widget away and re-add it. Then clear the Google app cache or force stop and reopen the app. Make sure location permission is allowed and that battery optimization isn't restricting Google, because that commonly blocks updates. If problems persist, uninstall updates to the Google app and reinstall them. This often resolves permission.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.